In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send emails automatically with Google Forms. If you want to know the moment someone submits your form, Google Forms has a built-in setting that sends an email to you for every new response. You don't need any add-ons or scripts, just a quick toggle hidden in the responses area. Start by opening your form and making sure you are signed in with the account that owns or can edit it. At the top of the editor, switch from the Questions view to the Responses tab. This is where you'll see your response summary, individual entries, and tools for managing submissions. Even if your form hasn't received any answers yet, you can still turn on notifications here so you are ready when the first one arrives. Look toward the top right of the Responses tab. You'll notice an icon that links your form to a Google Sheet. It looks like a little green spreadsheet. Right next to that icon is a three-dot button, sometimes called the More menu. Click those three dots to open a list of response-related options. This menu controls helpful settings tied to your form's submissions from that list. Select Get Email Notifications for new responses. When you click it, the option toggles on, and you may see a checkmark appear next to the setting. That's it, your notifications are enabled. From now on, each time someone completes your form, Google will send an email to the account you are currently using. The message typically includes your form's title and a link, so you can jump straight in to review the new entry. A couple of quick tips to make this work smoothly. These notifications are per person, so collaborators who also need alerts should turn this on in their own accounts. If you don't see emails coming through, check your Spam or Promotions tab in Gmail. Then move one message to your Primary tab so Gmail learns where to put them. You can also create a label and a filter to keep your inbox tidy if your form gets a lot of responses. If you decide to stop notifications later, return to the same three-dot menu and click the option again to turn it off. And if the menu doesn't appear, confirm you have edit access to the form. To recap in one line, open your form and head to the Responses tab. Click the three dots next to the Link to Sheets icon, and choose Get Email Notifications for new responses. You are now set to stay on top of every submission the moment it arrives. Thanks for watching and happy form building.